The ballerina is dancing in the studio. Guys teen 3 guys teen watching a movie on a mobile phone sitting on a sofa. Man. A young man push up on the bars. Commuters. Commuters walking through Shibuya Station in Tokyo. People. People walking in New York City. Woman. A beautiful woman wearing a red coat smiling. Girl. A girl looking at cosmetics in a hair salon. Boot. A person wearing a hiking boot. Boy. A young boy giving a thumb up. Crowds of people. Crowds of people crossing the crosswalk at Shibuya's district. Running. A group of people running on a field in sunset. Baby. A baby drinking from a water bottle through a straw. Walking. People walking on the street. Data. Big data and information flowing through cyberspace. Lake. A beautiful lake in the valley. Clouds. Beautiful clouds in motion. Signature or signing of contract. The people signing a contract. Sunrise. The sun rises from the east. Nature. A beautiful nature scene. Abstract. An abstract connection dots with a brain. Internet connection. An animation of world map internet connection. Thunderstorm and dark clouds. A beautiful view of thunderstorm and dark clouds forming over the sky. River winding. An aerial view of the river winding through a mountain valley. Headache. A man rubbing his temples with a headache. Pose. A beautiful woman smiles and poses for the camera. Denim outfit. An attractive woman wearing a denim outfit. Hustling. People are hustling on New York Street. Selfies. A student taking a selfie with a smartphone. Talking. People are talking about business. Mountain. A young woman walking up the mountain. Beach. A group of young people walk on the beach. Eye. A person's eye is blinking. Beer. A group of people drinking beer and socializing. Scrots. A strong woman doing squats workout with weights. Family. A happy family cheering in the living room. Downtown. People going to work downtown. Couple. Two couples walking on the beach. Red wine. A pretty woman drinking a glass of red wine. Dance. People are dancing in the park. Nightclub. People dancing in a nightclub. Snow. People walk on the snow. Embrace. Friends are embracing each other. Palm. People put palm together to celebrate during the business meeting. Window. A man standing in front of the window. Campfire. People sitting around a campfire at a campsite. Conversation. People having a conversation during a meeting. Hangout. Friends hanging out on the bridge at sunset. Sunglasses. The two girls wearing sunglasses. Pavement. People walking on the pavement in New York City. Tourist. People and tourist in Times Square. Asian. Asian people walking to the subway in Hong Kong. Park. People hang out at the Central Park in New York City. Senior. A senior wearing a hat and smiling at a train station.
If you are new here, please click on the subscribe button and the like button so that when we upload new contents you will get a notification, and sharing this video with other people that would benefit from this type of contents. Thank you very much.